Your iPhone is essentially a ticking clock. Every time you charge it to 100%, every time it gets hot in your pocket, and every default setting you leave on, you are shortening its life. Apple calls these features. I call them battery tax. Heat is the #1 enemy of lithium-ion batteries. When those ions start moving faster than they are supposed to, the damage isn't just temporary, it is permanent. Today, we are stopping the bleed. I have isolated the 7 settings you need to kill right now to keep your phone from becoming a paperweight. Let's get tactical. Number 7, manual brightness control. Most people think they are saving battery by manually dimming the screen, but then they leave it cranked in the sun. Heat is the absolute assassin of lithium ions. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and flip auto brightness to on. This stops you from accidentally cooking your battery with a screen that is too bright for too long. Number 6, significant locations. This is buried so deep it feels like a secret, because it is. Your iPhone is constantly tracking where you are to provide better services, but GPS is a power-hungry heat generator. Turn it off. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services, Significant Locations, and toggle it off. Your battery and your privacy will thank you. Number 5, analytics and improvements. Your iPhone is basically a full-time reporter, constantly sending data back to Apple. It is counting cycles and recalibrating reporting constantly. Kill the Share iPhone Analytics toggle in your privacy settings. Stop working for Apple for free at the expense of your own hardware. Number 4, unnecessary notifications. Every time your screen lights up, your phone wakes up. If you are getting blown up all day, your phone stays in a constant state of high alert, which generates internal heat. Go to Settings, Notifications, and toggle off anything that isn't essential. Better yet, use focus modes to keep the noise down and the temperature low. Number 3, background app refresh. This is the ultimate vampire. Every app is fighting to stay alive in the background, sucking down power while you aren't even looking. If you want better battery health, quit the doom scrolling. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and select Off. Stop letting TikTok run a marathon in your pocket while you are trying to work. Number 2, the software update illusion. Have you ever updated your iOS and suddenly your battery health dropped? You think the update broke your phone, but here is the truth. It didn't. After an update, iOS simply recalibrates how it reports your battery health. This will update even without you manually updating the software. Don't panic. It is just the phone being honest about the damage already done. But we can stop it from getting worse. Number 1, the 100% trap. 100% is a state of high stress for lithium-ion chemistry. Your iPhone likes it best between 20 and 80%. Go to Settings, Battery, then Charging, and set the charging limit to 80 or 90%. This stops your phone from sitting at maximum stress while you sleep. We just saved your hardware from a slow, expensive death. If you value your tech's longevity as much as I do, hit that subscribe button. Now, quit the doom scrolling, put your phone down, and let those ions rest. I'm Nova. Stay tactical.